Hi, if you have landed on this video, you're interested in n8n workflows and how AI agents and automations using this very powerful tool can help you with your business with cost savings or even to create new businesses and opportunities that didn't exist before. AIs are getting pretty good at this. I mean, you can use Claude and others to try to generate a workflow and so on. In terms of automation engineers, like you probably saw the sort of YouTube influencers and so on, and maybe you even reached out to some. You see the sort of money they want to charge you to help you. But actually, the way we see this working at the moment is that AIs are so strong that you can get quite far with discussing and understanding what automations are possible in your context, just using Claude and ChatGPT and so on. And some of these are even quite good at generating JSON workflows that can be cut and pasted into n8n. But they lack context and knowledge base. So ours is very different. Let me explain the sort of problem that we solve. Ours is an MCP, a Model Context Protocol. So it's not just a wrapper, like a website that's wrapped around an AI, and you'd be better going to the AI directly. No, it's not like that. I mean, in terms of knowledge, nearly 100% of n8n knowledge is kind of plugged directly into our MCP. So anytime it's doing anything in response to what you're asking, it's doing it based off the definitive authority and knowledge. And the second thing is context. We have over 500 nodes, properties, operations, and these are all loaded in. These are all working real life, already implemented node solutions. So when you enter a prompt and it returns a JSON file, which is the workflow for n8n, you're going to be like every time at least 90% there. And we think this is the right way to do it. Start your brainstorming with your AI. Let's face it, it's like talking to 100 engineers or 100 developers. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And then, okay, experiment with that, even get a prompt with the help of AI, and then use our tool to get this maybe it'll be 100%, but almost perfect JSON file. And incidentally, you've maybe gone to n8n and you're like, wow, it's a developer, environment, and it's not for me. But it's really very simple. I mean, it's no more difficult than Microsoft Word. Like when you get this JSON file, you can simply copy. Not many people know this. You can, on the screen of n8n, you just put your cursor and paste. And there you will see a visual of the workflow that you've come up with. And of course, this is very powerful. If you need some help in the final stages with credentials or a node that's causing problem or some sort of issue, that's where you hire, like do a sort of surgical intervention from an engineer, and it's very specific. And because you can show him the picture and send him the JSON, you're miles further ahead than you would be just talking about ideas, which is a very, very, very difficult way to do it. So that's it. Enjoy the tool and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions at all.